Let's get paid to borrow using AAVE on Optimism. If you guys don't know, AAVE is one of my favorite coins, long-term price today, currently 86 bucks, market cap 1.2 billion. They're gonna come out with a stable coin, GHO or GNO, something like that. If anyone can make a stable coin, it's AAVE, but we are going to do a quick tutorial how to get paid, borrow money and get paid to do so. So subscribe, all the links below, all that good stuff, 10% on GMX if you are a gambler, and extra other good stuff. You're gonna go here, AAVE website. This is step 1. You're gonna change to version 3. First connect your wallet. Just gonna do a quick tutorial just to see how it works. Change to version 3, Optimism Market. They started this incentive program, I think like 2 weeks ago, which is pretty awesome. Pick, as I said, version 3, change to Optimism. Last time it happened with Polygon about a year ago. Polygon went up a lot. I think it was the same thing for Phantom, same thing for Avalanche. The coin just launched, the main coin just up and up and up. Optimism, different story because they have like a lot of coins out there, too many projects, but I'm super bullish on Optimism as well. As I said, change to Optimism version 3, pick this one, and make sure you have a couple of coins in your wallet. So what are we doing? You need to first supply a coin, asset to supply, and once you supply a coin, you can actually borrow something against it. So for this tutorial, I got like 7 bucks SUSD. Let's do 5 bucks, and then we're gonna borrow something against it. And whatever that you borrow, you can either put in the supply and then borrow more, okay, and then just make it a cycle, or just take that money, cash out, leverage trade, get wrecked, do whatever that you want. Maybe buy a house in real life. It's your money, but you need to return the loan, but basically no one will look for it for you. It's not credit based. You just locked your money until it gets paid or liquidated. With that being said, look what we got. Let's say SUSD, and of course with Velodrome as well as Uniswap. It doesn't really matter. The fees to swap is just absolutely nothing on Optimism as well as Arbitrum. So I don't see a reason to use Ethereum mainnet anymore, but feel free to change my mind, even though I doubt you can. So what do? You supply SUSD. For this example, you get paid 4.94% APY plus the incentive of 1.02% APY. So if you do the math, 494 plus 102, basically you get paid just by supplying an asset at 5.96% annually, which is pretty awesome compared to your bank. And you can do other stuff. You can supply your Ethereum, you can supply DAI, USDC, all that good stuff, as well as AAVE. AAVE actually pays you 6.83%. I might actually do that, supply my AAVE in here. That's pretty good rate. What else we got in here? Ethereum, Bitcoin, not a lot. So yeah, I might do this one. We'll see. So basically, now that we know that we can supply, as I said, 494 plus 102, 596, we're gonna first make sure we are recording, which I am, and then you're gonna go here, and because there is fees, but it's not Ethereum that you need to worry about what happens. Not today, maybe a year ago when the gas price was like 400, 800, etc. But now that I know that I get paid 596, I can borrow, okay? I can borrow against that, and let's see what's the lowest one, because I can just swap, it doesn't matter. So if I do basically DAI, I can borrow at 404 minus 0.5%, so basically 354. I haven't done it. I just assume that I get paid to borrow another 0.5 basis points, so it's not 404, it's basically 44 minus 50. That's just my rationale. Let's see if we got something else. We got, so that gives us, let's see, we got 596. Remember that. If we do 404 minus 050, that's 354. So 596 minus 354, you actually get paid to borrow, and they pay you 242. But maybe there's something a little better. I assume USDC is a little better. 360 minus 41. So let's do this. 3.6 minus 041. And we got 319. So you do 596 minus 319. And you get 277. The other one was, I think, a little lower, right? What was it? 404 minus half to 354. So 596 minus 354. The other one is 277. So basically, we're going to borrow USDC against that. And then we're going to get the difference, basically 2.77%. 2.77% APY get paid to borrow, as long as this basically continues. This incentives will continue. I don't know how many weeks, months, or years, but this is the one, as I said, push Polygon and Avalanche once the incentive was live, and probably Phantom, even though I didn't participate. How do you do it? How do you do it? First of all, you subscribe to my channel. After that, you check all the links below, and after that, you click SUSD. Okay, as I said, I can get something else, but this seems to be pretty awesome. This is 596. I click supply. Okay, I got $7 in here. I'm gonna put 5, and if you don't have it, just go to Uniswap, Velodrome, 1 inch, doesn't really matter, and just swap basically from coins to coins and pay nothing in fees. Not nothing, but almost nothing. Okay, look at this, collateralized Annabelle check. So you see I'm supplying, get paid this. Reward APR, I get paid this. Gas fees are absolutely nothing. The gas calculation is only an estimate. Approve to continue. You just approve. Just gonna do the example. It's gonna ask me some questions. Sure. Feel free to tell me a joke, even though it should take super quickly. Why do I need to approve? Because I'm doing a YouTube video, and yeah, that's why. That's why. $5 is not really gonna cut it. It's just for the example, of course. But if you, I don't know, if you put 10,000, not the financial advice. First of all, 10,000, then you borrow 5,000, and then you either put another 5,000 and 10,000, then you borrow another 2,500 or something, or just go buy a car, pay off all your student loan debt if it hasn't been done already, etc., etc. The possibilities are endless. Supply SUSD. Okay. Let's do this, and you see the fees is absolutely nothing. Gas fees 0.055 cents basically for gas fees. Ethereum mainnet is like $2-3, but it's still crazy nothing. All done. You supply $5 SUSD. Okay, close. And now that I've done that, you see here, it's in my dashboard. I supply 5 USD, and I'm earning this plus this, and now I can either withdraw or swap. But what I actually want to do is, as I said, I want to borrow USDC, because this is what we're getting. USDC, max loan to value 80%, liquidation 85%. Let's see what we're getting. It changed a little here. Okay, still good. Borrower info, that's me. I'm borrowing for 3.6, and I'm getting paid 0.41, so 319. So 559 minus 319, it's about, as I said, 2.4% arbitrage. How do I do this? Okay, let's click borrow. Optimism wallet is empty. Purchase or transfer. I want to borrow based on my, you see, based on the $5 that I supply, I can borrow 302. So let's borrow, because they said you can borrow up to 80% and you get liquidated at 85%. But because you borrow stable and you supply stable, it's not that big of a deal unless the SUSD depeg. That's what you need to worry about. Basically my reward, look at this, is 0.4%. I can pick 360 and I can pick stable. I don't want to pick stable, variable, because it is stable coin. Health factor is 125. I get liquidated at 1, but again, you supply stable, you borrow stable. It's just interesting. Borrowing this amount will reduce your health factor. That's fine. Increase your risk of liquidation. I acknowledge the risk and I'm gonna borrow USDC. So $5 gave me $3, meaning that let's say you do 50,000 as collateral, you can borrow 30,000 against that, and then you got some options out there, basically. All done. You borrowed $3 USDC. Pretty awesome. Let's check my dashboard, see what we got. In my dashboard, you click here, go back to your dashboard, super quick. Health factor 125, risk details. Your health factor and loan to value determine the assurance of collateral to avoid liquidation, supply more collateral, or pay back the loan. 125, you get liquidated at 1. Current total value is 60%, liquidation at 75%. Okay, good to know. Let's see if there's anything else. Net APY, look at this, net APY 10.06%. If you click here, net APY is the combined effect of all supply and borrow position on net worth, including incentive. It is possible to have a negative net APY if the debt is higher than the supply, but because I'm getting the reward sum here, it's pretty awesome. How did they get to 10%? I don't know, but I'll take it. This one is variable. I assume you can change it. Yeah, it's pretty awesome stuff. I use with cautious. Of course, you can lose 100% of your funds with basically crypto. This was valuables. All the links below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.